Let's take a look at the 11th round. First, crochet 7 single crochets, then 1 decrease. The letter A represents a decrease here. Crochet 2 stitches together, then crochet 15 single crochets, followed by another decrease, and then 7 more single crochets. Let's crochet the 31st round. Start with 7 single crochets, beginning from the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let me demonstrate how to crochet a decrease. Everyone take a look. This little V shape is a complete stitch. See? It's very clear. To crochet a decrease, first take half of this position, then the crochet hook takes the next one. Half of the V, merge them into one stitch. Now let's try it. First, take half of this stitch, then take half of the next stitch. Then pull the yarn through like this. Again, now these 2 stitches have been crocheted into one single crochet. After completing the decrease, we continue crocheting. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets. In total, we need to crochet 15 single crochets. After finishing, it's time to crochet another decrease. Let me demonstrate the method again. Take half of one stitch, then half of the next stitch, yarn over. Yarn over again, the decrease is complete. Then continue crocheting the remaining 7 single crochets. Now we've reached the part of the bottle where it tapers upwards. See, it's very cute. Let's continue looking at the chart. After completing round 11, rounds 12 and 13 are 2 rounds of even single crochets. Starting with round 14, it's a combination of single crochet decreases. Round 15 is also single crochet decreases. Round 16, 17, 18, 19 all the way to 20 consist entirely of single crochets and decreases. Rounds 21 and 22 are even single crochets. Finish crocheting this section. The final round is crocheted in the front loop only. Crochet 6 decreases and 1 single crochet using the front loop technique, which we've demonstrated before. The result looks like this. There's a ridge near the bottle cap, and the top is flat. There are no unfamiliar chart symbols ahead, so you can finish crocheting the entire main body. Next, look at the bottle cap section. It's the same. Start with a magic ring, 6 single crochets, 6 increases, and crochet 12 single crochets in the front loop. Only no difficulties here. When finishing the small bottle cap, don't cut the yarn. Just use it to sew this part together. For the little arm, it's the same. Single crochets and single crochet increases. When sewing the little arm, make sure the slip stitch part faces downwards. This will give it the appearance of lifting its arm upward as if embracing. Then sew on the small eyes with a needle, and add this little green logo. The small heart shape is optional. That's the entire crocheting process for the little hug doll.